Dito kami kakain sa Min Wong Restaurant dito sa Chinatown. Kasama yung Min Wong. Min Wong.
What do you call it?
The
Pork like that.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. They did drop it off to another table by mistake, but I did rush it out for you. So it should be coming out soon.
Okay, okay.
Trying the roast duck here in New York sa Chinatown. Ang sarap po. Order mo duck with rice. Sa akin kasi kumpaw eh. Ayan. Ang sarap nitong soup. Yan, kumpaw chicken. Ano to? Gulay na hindi malaman. At saka ito yung aking in-order talaga, broccoli. Ang lalaki na serving ah.